seems to be the problem?
Well, Doc, my mouth is stuck open.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Been stuck open for 3 whole weeks. I can't get it shut for the life of me.
You're speaking to me right now.
What's your point?
Well, to speak, you have to control your jaw muscles. You can do that, so clearly you can close your mouth.
My mouth actually never shuts when I'm speaking. It may look like it to the naked eye, but if you look really closely, it never actually shuts. Go on, Doc, take a peek.
Yeah, I'm not going to take a peek.
Go ahead, check it out.
No.
Come on, hold my tongue down and take a look for yourself.
Looks okay to me.